it's a complete analytical solution that helps HR and leadership teams take better decision using smart KPIs, predictive model, and clear visuals. This is on GitHub repo. I will attach this repo in my description. And if you want to check out my dashboard, you can click on this about section. I will provided the link, and if you click on this link, you will redirect to the dashboard. So first, we will understand the data. Then we will go to the dashboard. We will check. Yeah, this is the data we have. In data, we have employee ID, hire date, termination date, department, in which department they are working, and the designation they have, location, absent days, and performance rating, salary, productivity score. And if we move to the, yeah, this is an team ID, error count, task ID, task completion like high, medium, low, ranking. And also we have rework count, project ID. Rework count is basically like if a particular employee get a revision, suppose who is this employee ID 2 got a one time revision. They made any mistake in the project, so he or she get an rework assigned. And on time deliveries like or total deliveries and completed tasks till now. So this is about the data. So we will go to the dashboard. Yeah, this is our dashboard. The first report is basically HR dashboard, and the second will it is in performance dashboard. So I added several KPIs, like you can see, see that total employees, average salary, absence rate, average tenure, attrition rate. Basically, it will KPIs the total employees a simple count of employee that are working, and average salary the average all the 30 employees the average salary is 67K, and absence rate basically defines that absent rate of a employee, and average tenure like how long that employee work in our company. And attrition rate is basically to monitor how many employees are leaving and when. And I also added the slicers like location, department, designation, performance. In location, you can check the Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, and in department finance, HR, marketing, this all designation. They have all the designation. In performance, we have outstanding, need improvement, meets expectation, exceeds expectation. Basically this slicer allow HR manager to focus on specific employee group instantly. And this is a tenure distribution. Basically tenure distribution is like if we click on highly loyal. Yeah, highly loyal is basically the employee who's working in our company greater than 5 year or greater than or equal to 5 year. And in loyal, the that employee count like greater than 3 year and less than 5 year. And in moderate, the new freshers will count in moderate like 1 year less. Basically, you can say that less than 3 year. And this is a performance by department like finance department, HR department, marketing, sales and technology. So you can see that legends, using legend you will understand how this bar chart works. Like you can see that in technology the almost 67% people exceeds expectation. Like technology's department going great, and the pink ones says that needs improvement. There is one employee who in technology department that needs improvement. If we check out that employee ID 5 software engineers, the salary of that employee 80,000 needs improvement. You can see that all the KPIs are change like average tenure 54, absence rate. The employee ID 5 have 3 absent rate and 80K average salary. And the green one is outstanding and needs improvement, meets expectations. So, and the next one is salary by designation. So this will Salary by designation uh, gives a one-stop view of HR manager to people. Like in table, I added employee ID, designation, salary, performance, tenure. So we get a high granular view using this table. And I also added employee status, 93.3% active and 6.67 exited. If we click on exited, you will see that in which department the most employee are exited. Like in finance, they are, yeah, you can see the accountant and senior accountant in employee ID 3 and employee ID 13 uh, leave our company. To the table here, what I added, like productivity to absence, calculates how absenteeism affects overall employee count. You can see that employee 0, that shows the delivery accuracy rate is 100. Let's see in employee 16, if we click on the delivery accuracy rate is 100. And if we click on the above 0, like employee 2, tracks how many tasks were delivered on time without errors. And in below this delivery accuracy, I added drawing complexity index. Like basically I made this dashboard for architecture, specific architecture HR. So in the architecture, they have drawing complexity index. So I added this also, scores each drawing task by difficulty level. This about the drawing complexity index. And now we will go to the rework frequency by project. Rework frequency by project. So basically, in data, I told you about what is rework. Basically, employee got revision. How many time a employee got a revision? So employee 5 got 2 times of revision. So basically, the area of employee 5 is greater. If we click on employee 5, so you can say that see that delivery accuracy rate is 60, and in also effort derivation index is above 100. Above rework frequency by project helps detect process inefficiencies by showing how often tasks are redone. And rework risk predictions. So above rework frequency by project, I also added rework risk prediction, a smart model that shows low, medium, and high risk zones using colored visuals. This help manager act before problems occur. Mm. Like 90% of low rework. Like if you click on low rework, so low rework delivery accuracy is 92.96, and employee 6, employee 16, and employee 22 done a great job. And if we click on medium level, so in medium level, the delivery accuracy rate is 75, and that is employee 2 in the team sale department. And if we click on red section, high risk, so high risk delivery accuracy rate is 60, and the complexity of the task is 3, and the employee 5 assigned to high rework. And after this, the capacity forecast, n- it will basically forecast the next 12 month, help plan for hiring, workload, or overtime management by forecasting score, a collaboration metric that checks how different teams are working together. And this is an last but not the least, error hotspot tree map. Highlight department that make the most mistake, great for focused training or auditing. So you can see that sales department done most of mistake. Like you can see the total error is 10. That if we click on, so delivery sales departments have accuracy rate is 76%, and productivity to absence, you can see that employee 7, employee dashboard link in my description, and also I will attach that repo. So thank you.